Hi everyone, welcome back to another reading. This is for I've done air signs. This is for earth signs. The love prediction, how May will be for you, and who are you involved with? What are the signs that I think you are going around with, or in, whatever messages that I get. Remember, these are channel messages. I'm using the love romance angel deck, the romance angels deck, and I am going to use the zodiac sign cards. And let me see any other messages that I can channel. So this is for earth signs. Let's see what are your messages. This is what the guy is thinking, or the girl you involved with, or your partner, or if you're married, or if you're serious, is thinking about you. What do they want to say? What's on your mind? What's going to happen in your love life? Any predictions that I can do? So let's start. Retreat. Why are you stepping back, earth sign? Why are you stepping back? Retreat is it a temporary break? I get a temporary break. Are you going to have a temporary break, or are you looking for things to go slower? That's another message that I get. Are you looking for things to slow down? You're not. This is almost waiting for something to happen. You're slowing down the whole process. I don't know what it means. Did the relationship start? Was it like relationship started and things really went on so quickly? It's like love at first sight. Really involved with each other, and then suddenly you realize that things are happening too soon. Did you fear that, or the person you are with, you're fearing that, or you are the other message that I get, you fearing separation. You have this thing of it's a fear in your mind that, are we going to separate, will the person leave me? Those are the messages that I'm getting. Will the person leave me? The person is going to leave me for somebody else. Earth signs, why am I getting that? See, because I said that separation, this is trust. You got to trust the person. Earth signs, you're not trusting the person you are with. It's a general reading, remember. It could just be for one of you, so it's not for everyone. So it could be resonating with just one person. All these messages, from all these messages, one message might resonate with you. So remember that, because these are always general readings. So I get the feeling that you are not really trusting the person. That's why you've taken a step back, or something, that you got to know about the person, and you're not very sure about the person, and you've taken a step back to be very careful, or the relationship wasn't right, because this is the last card here. It says love yourself first. Was it toxic, earth sign, to be with the other person? I don't know why I get air and fire. I don't know, earth sign, are you involved with the air sign or a fire sign? I don't know. But I kind of feel, you need to love yourself, because the person is pulling away and you're not very sure, and or you the other message that I get is, you're tired of just running behind them. I don't know why, earth signs, these are all the messages that I'm getting, while I'm just see, I got this card again, retreat. So there is, it's a time to disconnect. You want to disconnect from the relationship. That's what I feel. Are you reassessing? Are you assessing something? You reassessing something? Your whole relationship status. I see what I get, separation. Earth signs, what's up in your up with you, or in your relationship? You don't want the person to go. Look how dearly she's holding on to the guy. It's like I think, for some of you, that's the story that I get. You don't want to disconnect, but there is no other way. That's you have to do this. You don't want the other person to go, earth sign. You're really holding on to the person. It's like, is it a trust issue? You love them, but you found something about them which really made you feel bad, and it's a trust issue, and you have to let them go. You don't want them to go. Those are the messages that I'm getting. They're very different messages for air signs. Earth signs, your messages are totally different. Okay, so for some of you, stay optimistic in your love life. I hope it's not just cooking in your head. The trust issue, the separation already, I think if you've not confronted the person, it's all these things cooking in your mind. But what the card could be for one person could be a different story. It says, stay optimistic in your love life. Maybe it can be mended. Maybe it was a different thing. Probably it is how you see it. It could not, it might not be a trust issue. This is what probably it's in your head. you know so don't just make a decision, or don't take a decision just because you think there is a problem in the relationship. Probably the other person doesn't know that you want to disconnect, or you want to retreat. That's what I get. This is, pay attention to the red flag. So there are no red flags. This is in your head. Okay, it's not come reverse. Like I said, the story is in your head. Are you building things up in your head about the person? Are the stories just in your head, and it's not really happening in reality? Because then it's really really bad for the relationship, because you stepping back, the other person doesn't know what's happening. You're cooking stories in your head, this will happen or that will happen, and I think I need to leave, and I need to step back and reassess the situation, I need to do this. It's kind of, you are not getting to know each other, you guys are not talking. For some of you guys are not talking, it's like totally become walls for for each other. There is no communication, nobody is making an effort. I feel there's an ego issue here. You're wondering if the other person will call, the other person is wondering if you will call. I get that story for you. Deception is coming reversed, guys. This story is in your head. There is no third party involved, earth signs. That's what I get. There is no other problem. I don't know if you think his family or her family is making an issue about something and you don't like it, but I feel these are stories in your head. Let's see what signs you could be involved with. Leo, this could be Leo. You are involved with a Leo. One of you is very dominating. I also get the word aggressive. It's almost like fighting for the territory. I don't know why. Who's fighting for the territory? Fighting for something. What else, who else are you're not really seeing. If it's with a Cancer, it's not going well. If it's a water sign, it's not going well. One of you is getting very emotional, the other person is not emotional. With the Taurian, you could be involved with a Taurian earth sign. It could be a Taurian. It's one of you is really bullheaded, the other person is not listening, the other person is stubborn. I get the word aggression. I get the person being very aggressive in the whole thing. Or probably you just are not talking to each other. So remember, this is a general reading, okay? Maybe this delay is good. Delay in the situation, there's a delay in the situation, it's good for you, okay? Probably that's the time to, if it's not in your head and things are happening, I feel it's still, you're one of those who's still assessing your relationship, even if nothing is going on, wrong in the relationship. And I find there's a delay in something, in some kind of, either the fight getting better, there's a delay happening, or situation is not getting right. You want, some of you want to mend things, because this is a general reading. Like I said, this came second time. There's a delay happening. You're deliberating. I told you, this is reconsidering, deliberating. You're in this situation, not reacting. You're still thinking. It's all in your head. You do not know what to do with it. You just, I get the words. You're hanging in there. You're hanging in there. I don't know for what, but you are hanging in there. So one of you is busy making money. I feel there's a money problem also between you two. I get a big money problem. Though this is a very different card, but when I hold it and I channel messages, or one person is so busy, the other person doesn't take care of the other person. This is almost like I get the words that I'm alone in the relationship, or you don't like what the other person is doing and the other person is not listening to you, okay? That's why probably you do not want the other person to go. You want to mend things, but that's what's happening. You probably will come up with another choice. You're deliberating. You don't know what's happening. These are pros and cons. This is the situation you are in. It's not a choice here. A lot of times I take this as a choice, two openings or two doors opening, or two different paths to follow. But here it's like, pros and cons. Should I do this? Should I not go ahead with the relationship? I get 11 number a lot. I get 8 number a lot. Are you 11 or are you 8? Is that your birth date or the person you're involved with? Okay. And I feel you've changed yourself also. You were. You felt like a queen. Okay, I'm going to talk to the women out there. You felt like a queen, but something has changed you. It's like you do not have the power. You think somebody's taken your power. There's a lot of power game. I get power play here. I don't know if the energy is manipulating, but those are the words that I'm getting. Okay, so guys, take care of yourself. Those are the main messages for you guys, earth signs. They'll be different for everybody. Remember, do what is best in your situation, or fits well in your situation. Thank you so much. Bye.